Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to manage child's Gmail account. Here are the steps to manage your child's Gmail account without using Family Link on your mobile phone. First is to unlock your mobile phone. Make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Gmail app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the Gmail screen. From the menu, tap Add another account if a child's Gmail isn't already signed in. Select Google and then sign in with your child's Gmail address. Tap Next, then provide a password. Once signed in, tap the profile picture again and switch to your child's account. Tap the three lines menu icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Settings. Choose your child's Gmail account from the list. Scroll to the bottom to Data Usage. Here, you can manage key settings like Sync Gmail, Days of Mail Sync, etc. Scroll back to the top and tap Manage your Google account under a child's email to open advanced options. Go to Data and Privacy tab to review what data is saved or shared. Now go back. Under Security and Sign In, check Recent Activity, Password, and two-step verification to keep the account safe. Now go back to the main Gmail inbox. To control emails, open the inbox and use filters by long pressing an email and tap the three dots. Tap Move to. Choose folders like Social or Updates for better organization. And lastly, periodically review your child's emails, contacts, and activity by switching to their account in Gmail, helping guide safe and responsible use. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.